Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here walking. As you can see, it's nighttime. I'm going to the Jaffa national competition, basically the national bodybuilding competition. Last year this time I was prepping, so I'm just here tonight to show support. But the thing is, do you guys think I'm gonna compete again? Like, obviously not tonight. We're in New Kingston, Jamaica. So yeah, this is just weird for me because last year, I remember. How you did feel? I was behind, like backstage, nervous. But yeah,
pretty confident.
I was pretty confident but nervous at the same time because I was like, suppose I go up on stage and I ring my foot or so, because the pose is like, it was my first time, so to me it was like very technical. Well, I'm here to give my support tonight, and guys, you just need to stay tuned to see which other competition I'm going to really take on.
Original Batman.
It's Features.
Come, Debbie!
It's so packed in here, guys. Do you remember my Panam, when I went to Panam Games last year? It was me, her, and another one. She's not, she already went on stage. You know, everybody is here. Did the next flight. We're going to the venue. I'm getting nervous, but she looks so good.
Next athlete.
She looks so good.
I can tell that you love me by the way you're looking at me. Girl, the feeling is mutual, 'cause I love you the same way, and I love you so.
Because it's been a while since I've uploaded anything related to fitness. I feel like it would be really cool, and this is motivation for me to go ahead and compete again. I really think I'm going to, well, you have to stay tuned and see. Guys, I'm here with this Divinity, and
I do pranks, hairstyles. I can't call my boyfriend, and it was just epic.
wow.
Police turned up on me.
What? Police? No man. So on the note, I have to show the fitness junkies and RSP, which I use their supplements so much. And this is the little stand that we have here, Mr. Fitness Junkies. So this is my gym bottle here. I bring this to the gym every single day, and I use this. This is what I use right now as my amino, which is so good. But I usually get like, I get this one because it lasts way longer. So yeah, and then the protein that I currently have this protein. I think I'll show you guys already still, but yeah, this is it. So 26 Lady Muscular Road.
All you gotta do, baby, just come over. Let me be your lover. I can give you pleasure. I can give you pleasure.
Dramatic pause. Now, we awarding the winners. Now, excuse me, miss, I want you make some noise because when your friend was on stage, you're the only person in here. You and your weave. Make some noise. Yes, yes, you right here, yes, yes.
Okay, so say it again and let me make the noise. Say it again.
You must say again.
Wait. No, the other first
The other part. And now, we are awarding the winners. He's a good friend. And your friend now win tonight, you cheer for your same way.
Yeah, the manager, big up.
Yeah, the manager, and too much, still have to get the partner money. Big up yourself.
Guys, it was pretty good. Y'all see how the men posed on? The turnout was good.
Yes.
You know, it is the nationals.
Yes. Nice.
So yeah, but that's it. That is it.
Right.
And I'm leaving.
So some of the contests are very entertaining. So
yes, very entertaining, as you guys saw. So yeah, don't forget to go ahead, subscribe if you're not subscribed already.